Hello everyone. In this video we will be solving uh, electricity problem from class 10, and this is example 12.9. We are given a circuit and we are told to calculate the equivalent total resistance and the total current. So we are given 5 resistance with their values and the voltage across the circuit. So first let's calculate the total resistance. So the solution for A. So we can consider these two as these are parallel resistance. So let's consider the equivalent resistance for these two branches as let's say R prime. So R prime, so we can write 1 by R prime, as we know the formula. 1 by R prime will be equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is based on the parallel resistance formula. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by Rn for the n number of resistors, right? So this will be equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40, and because we're given R1 is 10 ohm and R2 is 40 ohms, so this will be equal to 40 plus 10 divided by 440 into 10, so 400. So this is 50 divided by 400. So 1 by R prime is equal to 50 by 400. So if we want to find R prime, we will just flip this. So R prime will be 400 divided by 50. So this is 8 ohms. So the equivalent resistance of R prime is 8 ohm. Now let's calculate the equivalent resistance of R3 and R4 and R5. So let's name the equivalent resistance for these set of resistors as R double prime. So R1 by R double prime will be equal to 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Then we will get as 1 by R3 is 30 ohms, as you can see here. R4 is 20 ohms and R5 is 60 ohm. If we calculate this, first we will have 20 plus 30 divided by 600, so there is about 50 divided by 600 plus 1 by 60, so 1 by R prime is equal to 15 to 60 is about 3000, right? And 600 into 1 is 600, so 3600 divided by 16 to 600, it will be 3 zeros and 36,000. So we can cancel the zeros, so it will be 1 by 10. So 1 by R prime, this you can multiply with 10, right? So 1 by R prime will be, double prime will be 1 by 10. So R double prime is 10 ohms. So we have calculated R double prime and R prime. So now, okay, so now we can draw the equivalent circuit as two circuits in series, right? Here is R prime, here it's R double prime. So these are basically in series, and we have the voltage source, we have the key, we have the current source, that doesn't matter, but these are now in series. So they're in series, so right now the total R is R prime divided by R double prime, which is equal to 8 plus 10 is equal to 18 ohms. So we found the total resistance. Now let's calculate the total current. So finding total current is very easy. We just have to use the Ohm's law, which is V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. So we know the voltage is 12 volts and the resistance we determined is 18. Now we can calculate this 6 and this is 9, and then 3 into 2, 3 into 3 is 2 by 3. So it's equal to 2 by 3 ampere.